Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and there's always kimchi in my fridge.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for a pork tenderloin that you'll want to repeat all winter. Brining meat is an easy way to make sure it's juicy and flavorful. Instead of using straight salt water, we're adding kimchi brine. Let it hang out for 2 to 12 hours. Drying the pork ensures a crispy crust when you sear it. Most apple varieties work here. We're using Pink Lady. A little butter helps balance the sweet, funky flavors. Into the oven to finish cooking. Let the meat rest for a few minutes before slicing. Your patience will be rewarded. This is great with polenta, rice, or bread. Anything to soak up the spicy, buttery sauce. And that's dinner in 3 ingredients. Let's eat.